Gimana teman-teman? This house
This house is
House
designed by my
House
father.
is designed by my father.
my father.
Okay, this house is designed by my father. Rumah ini didesain oleh ayahku. Rumah ini tidak didesain oleh ayahku.
This
This
house
house
is
is
designed by my father.
Oke, apakah rumah ini didesain oleh ayahku?
This house is designed by my father.
Oke, bukankah rumah ini didesain oleh ayahku?
Isn't this house
House
designed by my father?
Oke, isn't this house designed by my father? Oke, ya, kemudian coba apa yang didesain oleh ayahku?
What is designed
What
by
is
my
by
father?
my
My
father.
father.
Oke, what is designed by my
By my
father? Ya, apa yang didesain oleh ayahku? Di mana rumah ini didesain oleh ayahku?
Where is this
Where
house
this house is
designed by my father?
designed by my father.
Okay. Where is this house designed by my father? Kapan rumah ini didesain oleh ayahku?
When is
When
this
this
house
house
designed by
This
my
house is
father?
designed by my father.
Okay, when is this house designed by my father? Mengapa rumah ini didesain oleh ayahku?
Why
How
my
is this house
designed by my father?
designed by my father?
Bagaimana rumah ini didesain? Ya, bagaimana rumah ini didesain oleh ayahku?
How
How is
is
this house designed by my father?
Oke, ya coba kita masuk ke poin kedua langsung. File ini sedang diunduh oleh mereka.
This file is being
This file
downloaded by
is
them.
being downloaded by them.
Oke, this file is being downloaded by them. File ini sedang diunduh oleh mereka. And then, file ini tidak sedang diunduh oleh mereka.
This
This
file
file is not being
by them.
downloaded by them.
Downloaded by them.
Oke, is not being downloaded. Apakah file ini sedang diunduh oleh mereka?
Is this file
Is
being
this
downloaded by
file
them?
being
Being
downloaded by them?
downloaded by them.
Oke, is this file being downloaded? Bukankah file ini sedang di-download?
Isn't
this file being downloaded by them?
Oke, kemudian coba apa yang sedang di-download oleh mereka?
What is being downloaded by them?
Sorry, what?
What is being downloaded by them?
Ya, what is being downloaded by them? Di mana file ini sedang di-download oleh mereka?
When is
When
this
is this
file
file
being
being
downloaded
downloaded
by
by
them?
them?
Oke, kapan file ini sedang di-download oleh mereka?
When is this
Why is
file
this
When
file
this file
being
being
downloaded?
downloaded by them?
Oke, mengapa file ini sedang di-download oleh mereka?
Why
Why
this
this
file
Why
is
is
being
this
downloaded
file
by them?
being downloaded by them?
Oke, ya, bagaimana file ini sedang di-download oleh mereka?
How is
How
this
is
file
this
being
file
File
downloaded
being
by them?
downloaded by them.
Oke, ya, coba kita masuk ke poin ketiga. Pesananmu telah diantar oleh JNE. How do you say this?
Your
Your order has
order
been
has
delivered
been
by
delivered
JNE.
by JNE.
Oke, your order has been delivered by JNE. Gitu ya, pesananmu telah diantar oleh JNE. Pesananmu belum diantar oleh JNE.
Your order has not been
not been
delivered by
delivered by
JNE.
JNE.
Your order has not
Has
been.
not been delivered by Jan.
Delivered by GNA.
Okay, your order has not been delivered by JNA. Apakah pesananmu telah diantar oleh JNE?
Has your order
Your order been delivered by
by
JNA?
GNA?
Okay, ya. Hasn't your order been delivered by JNA? Apa yang telah diantar oleh JNE?
What has been
What has
delivered by
your
GNA?
order been delivered by JNA?
Oke. Di mana pesananmu telah diantar oleh JNE?
Where has your order been
Your order
delivered
been
by
delivered
GNA?
by JNA?
Oke, kapan pesananmu telah diantar oleh JNE?
When
When
has your
has
order
your
been
order been
delivered by
delivered by
GNA?
JNA?
Oke, kapan pesananmu telah diantar oleh JNE?
When has your order
When
been
has your order been
delivered by
delivered by JNA?
Oke, mengapa pesananmu telah diantar oleh JNE?
Why
Your
has your order been
has been
delivered by
delivered by
GNA?
JNA?
Oke, bagaimana pesananmu telah diantar oleh JNE?
How has your order been
Order
delivered
has
by
been
GNA?
delivered by JNA.
Oke, bisa ya?
Bisa.
Oke, kita coba lanjut ke poin berikutnya ya. Di situ di gitu ya, past simple tapi nanti jadinya adalah di. Misalkan di sini kita buat contoh kalimat gitu ya. Saya diberi uang oleh ayahku semalam. Nah, di situ ada contoh kalimat. Saya diberi uang oleh ayahku semalam. Maka jadinya gimana, Mr. Jess? I was
given
money by my dad.
Okay, I was given money by my dad last night. Saya diberi uang oleh ayahku semalam. Nah, jadi di sini kalau kalian mau ngomong di itu pakainya adalah was atau were dan kemudian di situ ketemu dengan kata kerja bentuk yang ketiga, teman-teman. Ya, kita fokusnya pada was atau were, kemudian pakai kata kerja bentuk yang ketiga. Misalkan kalau mau ngomong dimakan kemarin, berarti gimana? Was
eaten yesterday.
Okay, was eaten yesterday. Kemudian coba dimasak tadi malam.
was
cooked
yesterday.
last night.
Okay, was cooked last night. Oke, misalkan lagi kalian buat contoh. Diperbaiki tadi pagi.
Was
repaired
Repaired
this morning. Oke, misalkan lagi kalian bikin contoh. Diminum tadi pagi. Was drunk. Oke, jadi yang kita pakai itu nanti adalah was atau were dan kemudian ketemu dengan kata kerja bentuk yang ketiga. Coba sekarang kita masuk ke 5 sentence rules. Kita masuk ke 5 aturan bentuk kalimat. Coba di sini gitu ya. Saya tidak diberi uang oleh ayahku semalam.
I was not
given money by my dad.
Okay, I was not
given money
Okay,
by
I was not
last night.
given money by my dad last night. Oke, apakah saya diberi uang oleh ayahku semalam? Berarti gimana?
Was
I given money by my dad last night?
Okay, was I given money by my dad last night? Bukankah saya dikasih uang oleh ayahku semalam?
Wasn't I given money by my dad last night?
Okay. Siapa yang diberi uang oleh ayahku semalam?
Who was given money by my dad last night?
Oke,
Who was
who
given
was given money by my
by my
dad
dad last
last
night?
night? Di mana saya dikasih uang oleh ayahku semalam? Where?
Where was
Where I
given
was
money by my dad last night?
given
Okay, where was I given money by my dad last night? Kapan saya dikasih uang oleh ayahku?
when was I
I given
money
money
by my dad
by
last
dad.
Mengapa saya diberi uang oleh ayahku semalam?
Why was I given money by my dad last
Where was
night?
I given money by my dad last night?
Bagaimana saya dikasih uang oleh ayahku semalam? How?
How was
What
I
was
given
given
money by my
money
dad
by
last
my
night?
dad last night?
Okay, how was I given money by my father
dad
last
night.
night? Oke,
Kamu
ya.
tadi sabunan enggak?
Coba sekarang tinggal teman-teman praktek. Siapa yang mau coba dulu? Ayo bikin contoh kalimat dengan kata five sentence rules dengan menggunakan past simple, passive voice. Stephen, ayo coba Stephen.
I was eaten fried chicken last year. I was eaten chicken this morning.
Coba dilihat lagi kalau kamu bilang I was eaten itu artinya adalah saya dimakan. Saya dimakan oleh fried chicken. Waduh. Berarti kamu yang dimakan oleh fried chicken. I was eaten fried chicken. Saya dimakan oleh fried chicken. Waduh. Masa
Waduh.
ayam gorengnya makan kamu gitu ya? Dibalik. Coba, ayo. Ayo coba. Berarti apa? Ayam goreng dimakan oleh
Fried chicken was eaten by me last night.
Nah, coba ayo. Ulangin.
Fried chicken was eaten
by me last night.
Oke. Ayam goreng tidak dimakan olehku tadi pagi.
Fried chicken was not eaten by me this morning.
Oke. Apakah fried chicken dimakan olehku?
Was fried chicken eaten by me this morning?
Bukankah fried chicken dimakan olehku?
Was not fried chicken eaten by me?
Wasn't fried chicken
Was
eaten by me this morning?
Oke. Ya. Apa yang dimakan olehku tadi pagi?
What was I eaten by me this morning?
Oke. What was eaten by me this morning? Oke. Di mana ayam goreng dimakan olehku tadi pagi?
Where was fried chicken eaten by me this morning?
Oke. Kapan ayam goreng dimakan olehku?
When was fried chicken eaten by me?
When? Oke. Mengapa ayam goreng dimakan olehku tadi pagi?
Why was fried chicken eaten by me this morning?
Bagaimana ayam goreng dimakan olehku tadi pagi?
How was fried chicken eaten by me this morning?
How was fried chicken eaten by me this morning? Was-nya dipakai ya. Yo, yang lain siapa yang mau coba lagi? Hello, who wants to try again? Siapa lagi yang mau coba? Ayo.
Nana.
Di Mr.
Nana, coba. Ayo, Nana.
My room was clean up by my aunt.
My room was cleaned up by my aunt. Oke, oleh bibiku ya. Oke, wait. Ini saya mute dulu. Ada suara bising. Ayo, lanjutkan. Coba. My room. Yo. Ana,
My-
silakan lanjutkan.
My room was not cleaned up by my aunt.
Oke, apakah ruanganku dibersihkan?
Was my room cleaned up by my
Clean
aunt?
up. Oke, bukankah ruanganku dibersihkan?
Wasn't my room cleaned up by my aunt?
Oke, apa yang dibersihkan oleh bibiku?
What was cleaned up by my aunt?
Oke, ya. Kemudian di mana eh, ruanganku dibersihkan oleh bibiku?
Where was my room cleaned up by my aunt?
Oke, kapan ruanganku dibersihkan oleh bibiku?
When was my room cleaned up by my aunt?
Oke, ya. Di mana?
When was my room cleaned up by my aunt?
Mengapa?
Why was my room cleaned up by my aunt?
Oke, bagaimana?
How was my room cleaned up by my aunt?
Oke, very good. Next one, so try again. Siapa lagi yang mau coba? What is your name, sister?
Mercy.
Mercy. Oke, you're like the brain of car. Coba, ayo contohnya gimana?
I was given surprise by my friend yesterday.
Oke, aku dikasih kejutan. Aku tidak dikasih kejutan. Ayo.
I was not given surprise by my friend yesterday.
Apakah saya?
Was I given surprise by my friend yesterday?
Oke, bukankah saya?
Wasn't I given surprise by my friend yesterday?
Oke, siapa yang dikasih kejutan oleh temanku? Who?
Who was given surprise by my friend yesterday?
Oke, ya. Kemudian coba, di mana saya dikasih kejutan?
Where was I given surprise
Ulang.
by my friend yesterday?
Oke. Kapan saya dikasih kejutan? When?
When was I given surprise by my friend yesterday?
Mengapa saya dikasih kejutan?
Why was I given surprise by my friend yesterday?
Bagaimana saya dikasih?
How was I given surprise by my friend yesterday?
Oke, very good. Once you try again.
Sarah,
Come on.
Mister.
Oke, Sarah, ayo.
My laptop
Laptopku.
wasn't repaired by the technician yesterday.
Oke. Ya, kemudian apakah laptopku?
Was my laptop repaired by the technician yesterday?
Oke, bukankah laptopku?
Wasn't my laptop repaired by the technician yesterday?
Oke. Ya, kemudian apa yang diperbaiki oleh teknisi kemarin?
What was repaired by the technician yesterday?
Di mana laptopku diperbaiki oleh teknisi kemarin?
Where was my laptop repaired by the technician yesterday?
Kapan laptopku diperbaiki oleh teknisi kemarin?
When was my laptop repaired by the technician?
Mengapa laptopku diperbaiki oleh teknisi kemarin?
Why was my laptop repaired by the technician yesterday?
Bagaimana laptopku diperbaiki oleh teknisi kemarin?
How was my laptop repaired by the technician yesterday?
Oke, very good. Want to try again? Siapa lagi yang mau coba? Ayo, silakan. Pasif di sini gitu ya. Oke, ini saya hapus dulu. 9. Oke, ya kita langsung mulai. Di soal nomor 1, di situ ada kalimat aktif. Misi teman-teman sekarang adalah apa untuk merubahnya nanti menjadi kalimat pasif. Oke, di situ soal yang pertama. She managed her team well. Dia perempuan gitu ya, mengatur timnya dengan baik. Jadi kalau kalian rubah itu menjadi pasif, jadinya gimana, teman-teman?
Her team was designed by her well.
Bukan design, manage.
Oh, sorry.
Jadi timnya,
Gak lihat layar. Sorry.
her team
Her team was managed by her well.
by her well. Her teams was managed by her well. Did they complete this task completely? Apakah mereka melengkapi atau menyelesaikan tugas-tugas ini dengan lengkap?
Were this task complete?
Apakah tugas-tugas ini dilengkapi oleh mereka dengan lengkap? Berarti gimana? Were
this task complete?
Kenapa pakai were, Mr. Jess? Ya, karena tugas-tugasnya ini lebih dari satu. Completed
By them.
Completely. Yeah.
Completed
A lecturer did not give us lecture yesterday.
Did not give us a lecture.
Yeah.
The lecture.
The
lecture has not given. Has not given.
Berarti
lecture.
The lecture, mata kuliah. Ini kan ada contoh. Seorang dosen tidak memberi kita mata kuliah kemarin. Jadinya mata kuliah tidak diberikan oleh dosen kemarin. Berarti the
lecture was not given.
The lecture
given by a lecturer.
Was not given by a lecture yesterday. Last year she rejected my love. Tahun lalu dia menolak cintaku. Berarti gimana?
My love was rejected by her last year.
My love
was
rejected
by
her last year.
Last year. My love was rejected by her last year. Next, number 5. Dewa 19 sang their old album songs last night. Berarti gimana?
Our album songs were
jadi
their old
album songs
were
sung
by Dewa 19 last
night.
She played her guitar so well.
Her guitar was played
so well.
Her guitar.
Her guitar was
played
so
by her.
So
well by her.
Well by her. The police investigated the crime case 2 days ago.
The crime case has
by the police 2 days ago.
Yeah, the crime case was
investigated
by the police. The police 2 days ago. Did he choose her as his assistant?
Her assistant,
Was
Apakah
his assistant was not chosen.
assistant
It wasn't.
was
Oh yeah. Was chosen by him as.
Okay, was he chosen by him as his assistant? Apakah dia dipilih olehnya sebagai asisten? I did not restart my phone last night.
my phone
was
not restarted by me last night.
My
last night.
phone was not restored.
Okay, my phone
Was
was not
Not restarted
restarted by
by
last night.
me last night. My phone was not restarted by me last night. And then the next it is, we repaired this broken machine 2 days ago.
This broken machine was repaired
repaired by us 2 days ago.
Okay, there is this broken
Machine
machine
was repaired
was
by us
repaired by us 2 days ago. Ya, itu cara teman-teman nanti latihan merubah dari kalimat aktif menjadi kalimat pasif. Nah, sekarang coba bagaimana kalau teman-teman nanti latihan menerjemahkan gitu ya. Misalkan di situ ada contoh kalimat gitu ya. Jembatan ini gitu ya. Oke, jembatan ini dibangun pada tahun 1995. Itu gimana coba?
This bridge
Jembatan ini dibangun pada tahun 1945.
was built.
This bridge was built
in 1995.
Ya, this bridge atau the bridge dibangun pada tahun 1945. Berarti gimana? Was
built.
Okay, was built in
1995.
Indonesia tidak dijajah oleh Amerika 100 tahun yang lalu.
Indonesia
was not colonialis. Was not by America
years ago.
100
Okay,
years ago.
Indonesia was not apa?
Colonialized.
Okay, Indonesia was not colonized
by
America 100 years ago. Okay. Pak Jokowi dipilih oleh warga Indonesia sebagai presiden ke-7.
Mr.
Jokowi was chosen by Indonesian as a favorite president.
Okay, ya, Mr. Jokowi.
Was chosen by Indonesian.
Ya, was chosen by
Indonesians.
the Indonesians boleh atau the Indonesian citizen juga boleh. Sebagai presiden yang ke-7 berarti
as7.
Ya, as a seventh president of Indonesia. Oke. Facebook diciptakan oleh Mark 20 tahun.
Facebook was created.
Facebook.
Created. Created bukan?
Facebook was not created.
Created by Mark.
Was created by Mark 20 years ago.
Create.
Bocil. Facebook tidak diciptakan berarti Facebook was not
Create.
diciptakan ya. Berarti was
doang, Pak.
created.
Created.
Oke, Facebook was created by
Mark.
Mark.
20
Ya,
years.
20
Years.
years ago. Facebook was created by Mark 20 years ago.
No.
Apakah teori evolusi manusia ditemukan oleh Darwin 100 tahun yang lalu?
Was the human
Evolution theory
Oke, was the human
Theory.
ya evolution
Theory.
theory
invented by Darwin
invented
by Darwin about 100 years
100 years ago.
Pelajaran ini dijelaskan dengan sempurna oleh guruku minggu lalu.
This lesson was explained perfectly by my teacher last week.
This lesson
was
was
explained perfectly
Perfect.
by my teacher.
This
Last
lesson
Explained
was
by
This lesson was perfectly explained atau was explained perfectly by my teacher ya last week.
last week.
Oke. Lagu ini dinyanyikan oleh Firza dengan sangat baik, dengan sangat enak di konser semalam.
This song was sung
sung by Firza well.
very well.
This song was sung
Was sung
Firza
by Firza
by
very well.
Firza
in the concert last night.
very well
Last night.
in the concert last night. Kita tidak dilayani dengan baik ketika makan malam di restoran itu.
we was not served.
We were not
Well service.
We were not
serviced
We were not
well.
well service.
served.
We're not well serviced.
Served.
Well served.
When
We're not well service.
When
We dinner.
we had
Dinner.
We
At
the
dinner.
dinner in that restaurant.
had dinner.
We were not well served. Apakah lirik lagu ini ditulis oleh penyair ternama pada waktu itu?
Was
this song
Lyric
song lyric
was the
was
song
the song lyric? The
Song
song
lyric.
lyric
written
written
by-
by
written by the well-known
well now.
at the time.
Song.
Okay. Then, was this song lyrics written by a well-known songwriter? Then, pada waktu itu. Kalian bisa pakai then ya. Then itu bisa diartikan pada waktu.
Oh,
Piala Dunia 2022 dimenangkan oleh Argentina.
The World Cup
World Cup 2022
won by
Won.
Argentina.
was won
Oh yeah.
by Argentina.
Was won by Argentina.
Ya, by Argentina. The World Cup 2022 was won by the Argentina. Oke, seperti itu teman-teman ya. Nanti cara merubah yang pertama kalian mungkin di situ harus bisa ya merubah kalimat aktif menjadi pasif. Yang paling penting adalah bisa membuat kalimat pasif dengan menggunakan past simple atau yang konteksnya di situ adalah memang sudah terjadi di waktu lampau. Itu kompetensinya. Harus bisa membuat apa aja gitu ya. 5 sentence rules, yaitu 5 aturan bentuk kalimat tadi gitu ya. Dari membuat contoh kalimat pasif yang positif, ya membuat contoh kalimat dengan kata tidak gitu ya. Apakah, bukankah, kemudian bertanya dengan kata WH questions. Jadi itu ya kompetensinya yang teman-teman memang di sini nanti harus benar-benar bisa mempraktekannya. Oke, silakan sekarang untuk tanya jawab. Silakan buat teman-teman. Oke, Sarah. So, what will be your
Saya mau
question,
tanya
Sarah?
ke jawaban yang
Jawaban yang kemana?
yang halaman 60 nomor 8 itu kan we were not well served by we will not
Oke.
we were not served when we had dinner in that restaurant. Itu kenapa had ya?
Had dinner.
Ya, karena kan pas.
Jadi itu
Ketika-
juga dibuat jadi
Ya, boleh pakai had, boleh pakai when we ate. Kedua pokoknya. Ketika kita makan malam, when we had dinner, atau when we ate dinner. Sama saja. Gitu ya. When we ate dinner, when we had dinner. Ketika kita makan malam. Oke. Jadi pakainya pas juga ya.
Itu harus part 2 ya, Mas?
Iya dong. Nah kan di sini kita dilayani. Nah ini kan pas. Keterangannya apa ya? Ini yang bikin pas. Gitu ya. Ketika kita makan malam di restoran itu. Jadi pakainya pas. Sarah, gimana?
ya.
Dapat poinnya?
Ya, sudah dapat.
Oke. Ya, silakan teman-teman. Ada yang mau tanya lagi? Oke.
Mau tanya kalau nerjemahin ini gimana, misalnya the letter was delivered by him. Terus yang satu lagi, the letter was being delivered by him.
Oke. The letter was delivered sama the letter was being delivered.
Ya.
Oke. Kalau yang atas gitu ya, itu kan diantar. Gitu ya. Tadi contohmu adalah apa bedanya antara was delivered
Was being.
dengan was being delivered. Ya, kalau yang atas ini artinya adalah diantar, kalau ini sedang diantar. Sedang yang bawah sedang yang atas di saja. Surat ini diantar oleh Mr. J semalam. Nah, kalau yang bawah surat ini sedang diantar oleh Mr. J ketika aku bertanya semalam. Nah, mungkin seperti itu gitu ya.
Berarti yang kedua itu harus dilengkapi dengan
Ya, kegiatan yang lain. Two
lainnya.
activities. Ya.
Ya. Oke.
You get it?
Ya. Ya.
Oke, silakan.
Kalau disandingin dengan yang ini, the letter is being delivered.
Oke, kalau is being delivered kan masih diantar sekarang.
Oh iya.
The letter is being delivered now. Surat ini sedang diantar sekarang.
Masih sedang berlangsung ya.
Kalau was being delivered kan sedangnya pas gitu ya.
Pas, ya.
Contoh, ini lagi diantar ketika aku telepon semalam.
Suka keliru di situ.
Ya, pokoknya sesuaikan dengan konteks ya. Kalau memang kalian sedang ngobrolin sesuatu yang memang sudah terjadi di waktu lampau, ya langsung di setel aja semuanya pakai pas. Tapi kalau memang sedang dilakukan sekarang, ya pakainya adalah apa namanya pakai ya present situation. Gitu.
Hmm.
Oke.
Oh, berarti intinya mah yang perfect itu harus ada kalimat yang menyertai sama waktunya ya.
Yang apa? Yang perfect atau yang pas?
Perfect, perfect.
Kalau perfect mah nggak usah dikasih waktu gitu ya.
Maksudnya ada kalimat yang menyertai nggak? Nggak mesti.
Nggak usah. Kalau perfect malah nggak perlu. Ya, nggak perlu keterangan waktu. Itu kan have atau has kan?
Ya.
Hmm.
Ya, kalau
Maksud
have
saya
atau
ada
has.
kalimat eh, ini surat ini diantar ketika saya sedang ini gitu.
Nggak, surat ini telah diantar oleh Mr. Jess. This letter has been sent by Mr. Jess. Has been delivered by Mr. Jess. Nggak ada, nggak perlu.
Nggak perlu ya.
Kalau have atau has, ya nggak usah ditambahkan keterangan-keterangan waktu.
Bukan waktu, maksudnya ada kalimat yang menyertai setelahnya gitu.
Nggak usah. Langsung aja sampai sini saja.
Ya, ya.
Oke. Itu mungkin teman-teman mengenalnya dengan istilah seperti itu. Kita baru sampai sini teman-teman ya. Tadi sudah sampai di ini nih. Di poin ke berapa tuh?
4 ya.
4.
Ya.
Ya, ini sudah dipelajari.
Mm-mm.
Oke. Silakan ayo yang lain yang mau tanya. Masih ada waktu 7 menit.
Mr. Jess,
Hmm?
kemarin kan saya nggak ikutin. Itu kemarin mau ngebahas apa ya? Soalnya saya juga nggak
Kemana ya?
merekam.
Mister, aku mau tanya lagi deh.
Ya,
Eh,
silakan.
saya kan udah coba bikin tabel untuk apa tenses. Ini saya perhatiin ya kalau kalau yang continuous itu perpaduan antara eh, bentuk nominal sama bentuk verb di apa di tenses sebelumnya. Misalnya simple present kan pakai ada dua dua apa rumus ya, ada nominal sama verb.
Hmm,
Tapi pas di continuousnya perpaduan dua nominal itu ya jadinya perpaduan dua kalimat itu ya jadinya ya rumusnya ya
bukan
nominal.
bukan
Jadi
perpaduan sebenarnya. Nah,
ada to be ada kata kerja,
oke, ya pasti gitu ya.
ya
Kalau
kan?
teman-teman mungkin bisa melihat di inilah di tabel gitu ya, di layar di halaman awal sebenarnya sudah saya rangkum gitu ya.
Ya, saya
Oke, di situ
perhatiin
kan
gitu
ada
ya.
tuh.
Hmm.
Sebenarnya bukan perpaduan ya, sama menggunakan to be, tapi dia kata kerjanya memang menggunakan verb ing.
Bedanya
Mungkin
di
gini
situ.
gitu ya.
Ya,
Ketika kamu belajar di present simple, itu kan di sini pakainya ya verb ya, s
yes.
dengan is.
Ya,
Itu yang verbal ya. Kalau yang nominal kita lihat pakainya adalah is, am, are,
SMR.
three complement.
Ya.
Ada adjective, noun sama adverb.
Mm-mm.
Kalau di present continuous kan dia pakainya verb ing. Am, is, are,
Iya,
and then the verb it is using
opting.
verb ing.
Iya,
Ya. Jadi beda. Yang ini pakai kata kerja, ini nggak pakai kata kerja.
ya yang nominal nggak pakai kata kerja. Tapi begitu
Ya,
ketemu to be sama kata kerja, yang kata kerjanya pakai ing itu pasti continuous gitu. Present,
ya
present
pasti
perfect juga kan gitu ke present perfect continuous. Jadi bentuk nominal
sama.
sama verb kan,
Pokoknya kalau kalau semua yang dengan nama continuous itu pasti nanti selalu pakainya adalah verb ing.
iya kan ada
Oke,
to be. Ya,
oke.
ya gitu aja.
Ya, yang lain mungkin ada yang mau tanya? Masih ada waktu 3 menit.